Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add your own YouTube thumbnails and how you can create them in Canva. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a blank page in a presentation in Canva. This is a completely blank project, and from here, what you'll need to do to create your own, thumbnail is add all the elements that you want. You can add text from this page to the left or this toolbar. You can choose the text that you want to enter. You can choose different elements such as shapes, frames, etc., etc. You can also upload your own images and your own elements if you so choose, or you can just drag them and drop them here and they'll show there. And you can do a lot of different things. However, if you want to make your job a bit easier, you can go through the designs and search for any sort of, let's say, base which you want to use for your thumbnails. For example, let's say I want to use this as my thumbnail. You just click on that and that'll load up this template. And from here, you can edit it however you want. Move the elements around, add the elements that you want. For example, let me add a circle, and as you can see, it has been added right there. You can delete elements there, edit the text, format the text however you want, and you can do pretty much anything you could think of. I have made different tutorials on how you can change specific parts of a Canva presentation or Canva image, so I do implore you to check that out. But that's pretty much it from me. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.